I don't see it. 98.9. I don't see it. I don't see it. 98.9.
Football cuts across all religions, all political parties. Let's come together and build our football. This is the sport that has made me who I am today. It is the sport that feeds millions of people. It is the sport that unites this country. It is our responsibility to hold on to this sport and ensure we leave a lasting legacy to generations unborn. Our football is coming back. We will be a stronger force. We will be the most loved sport, and together we will ignite passion and create wealth for each one of us.
Now, as announced by the Ghana Football Association, the senior national team, the Black Stars, will take on the Eagles of Mali in an international friendly in Antalya, Turkey, next month. The Stars were supposed to play another game 3 days later against Equatorial Guinea, but the Equatorial Guineans have pulled out of that particular friendly. Head coach of the Black Stars, Akonnor, joins us with his squad list for that friendly.
So these are this of players for the upcoming match in October. The names are Richard Ofori, Maritzburg, Lawrence Atizigi, St. Gallen, Razak Abalora, clubless now but very soon will be with the club. The fullbacks are Benson Annan, Zelina FC, Lumo Agbenyenu Sporting Club, Yakubu Mohamed Azam, Gideon Mensah, Victoria Gomeres. Centre backs, Alessandra Jiku, Strasbourg, Joseph Edu, Celta Vigo, Nicolas Opoku, Amiens, Kasim Nuhu, Hoffenheim. The midfielders are Thomas Partey, Atletico Madrid, Emmanuel Lomote, Amiens, Bernard Mensah, Besiktas, Baba Idrisu, Mallorca, and attackers comprises of our captain Andrew Ayew, Swansea, John Ayew, Crystal Palace, John Entry, Pyramids FC, Eugene Ansa, Hapoel Shmona, Jeffrey Schlupp, Crystal Palace, Samuel Owusu, Al Fayyah FC, Kamal Dean, Norgeland, and Mohamed Kudus, Ayas.
The head coach also announced the reason for handing call-ups to the 23 players.
With Lumo, when we had a chance to play South Africa early this year, he was invited, but he got injured, and now he's back, he's fit, and that is why I thought it's necessary to bring him on board. Yakubu is a new guy, known in this country. He's played very well through the ranks of Idriana. And now in Azam, he's doing well. He's the captain of the team. His situation is exceptional because he could play a lot of different positions, holding midfield and of course right back. But his main position is the centre back. But we want to have a chance to have a look at him in different areas of the game. I'm personally excited about him because Chiku, at a point in time, we were not sure if he really wants to come. He didn't have a problem of switching nationality, but they decided to come to play, and now he's decided to come, and so I'm very much excited about him. He's not only a centre back, but he's also as well can play a holding, depending on what area you want to go. In terms of when you go on away matches, if you want to be more defensive, it's a choice, you know. But he brings a lot of experience. I saw him in Strasbourg when I went to Europe to watch them, and it was really good. So I'm personally happy he's coming. Well, you rightly said it right. After he came to play, I think we didn't see much of him. Now he's proven himself good. He was once with a new club. Now he's moved to Besiktas, which tells the story, all the story about him. And I've seen him on several occasions. I've watched him closely. And he's one of the guys who give him the chance, the necessary confidence. He can bring a change into the way we go forward. His style of play, the way he plays, the way he controls the game. I personally want to control the game in terms of possession, and him, Partey, and the rest are there to do that job. And I think it's a big chance for him, to come and play and do well and stay. Not this time he will go and come back. Lomote, a boy I know from childhood, I'm happy with his progress. When he played with the under 23s, he did very, very well. I think he deserves a chance. He's done well. He's moved from Spain now to France, and I think his second match or first match, he was a man of the match. He's done well for himself. He's improving. I think he deserves a chance. And this is a progression of what he's done, and I think this is a friendly match. It's an opportunity for him. He will always stay with his performance, and he needs to convince everybody that he's capable of doing it. I personally know he can, and so I'm giving him a chance. He's somebody who brings a force. He brings speed into the game, speed of thought, and that we've seen what he's done with Crystal Palace in the past. Now, currently, he's in good shape. They won recently against the big Man United, and he played a major role. And I think I had a personal chat with him when I was there, one-on-one, and he told me of his problems, and I think once we're able to give him that necessary chance and respect, give him the necessary respect that he deserves, why not? He's here. Again, also, most of these guys are in to prove that don't forget this is a friendly match, and I think before we get into November, we must know exactly those who can help us qualify, and that is why all these opportunities has come to these guys. Yeah. He's a very good player, young. He needs patience, he needs time, but I think we need to start developing. If we're looking at the next 4 or 5 years, these are the guys we will learn. Once we are able to start with people like that, motivating them slowly in a way. We are not going to push them too much, but we want to slowly develop them, get them into the team. He reminds me of Jeremy Doku. Unfortunately, he's gone for Belgium, so he has that kind of style, ability to play like him, and I think it's necessary to bring him again, to have a look at him, be around the team and see the likes of Didi Ayew and the captain and Jordan and others, if they could help him to be a better player in the national team. I like players who, at a point in time, can bring confusion into the opponents, constant disturbing, in terms of trouble, making trouble, trying to create chances to score goals. And he's one of the guys who does that. He takes one-on-one situation, is good at that. He plays, he attacks, and he likes to score. And so we're looking forward to get players like that who will be constant in that sense. We don't look for players who, after 5 minutes action, 20 minutes before they get another chance to do. We want a constant situation. And so we give him Eugene Ansa a chance. Don't forget we have 2 matches, and all these players will definitely have a chance to showcase their talent and to prove to us that they are equally good. John Entry, I unearthed me and Odate unearthed him in 11-wise. Since then, he's done well for himself. The last time we had a collapse, he was not part of the team because I was then personally not too convinced that he should be part of the team at that time, because I'm looking at consistency with the team, and now I think he's proven beyond doubt that is equally good. Scored 100 goals, now I think 102. And I think he deserves a chance because he's done well. Egyptian league is not an easy league. It's not a league that you can just look at it and throw, and he's done well. I can only be proud, I'm proud of myself and the things I've done. And I can only thank Ghanaians, for giving me that opportunity more. So FA, the ministries, and of course the government, to bring somebody of their own, to do this job. I'm certainly happy, and I want to do this to the highest level of my understanding in this game, and I need support from each and every Ghanaian. Tensed? No, I'm not tensed. This is a friendly match, and it is important for me to look deep into it and see who can help the team and make the team better. We want to be a team that will attack and play constructive football, easygoing football, but with discipline, a lot of discipline. Now, I want to try as much as I can to bring our style of play. I think I've been around for a while, and everybody knows how I go about my team and how they play, and that is the Ghanaian way of playing. And so I want to do my best in that area. I'm not perfect. I will need advice. I will need help, support, and everybody. And I think once we do that, this is ours. Let's do it right without any misunderstanding. We will disagree, we will agree, but the bottom line is to hit the target, and the target is for us to win the AFCON. Mali is a very strong side. We've seen them a couple of matches that they've played in the AFCON, a very strong force. So it is a very good test for us. We want to go there and try as much as we can to do our best, give our best, and of course to win that match. Yeah. And what I have done is to communicate positively with them, the way forward, what ought to be done, what cannot be accepted in the team, and all that. And so I think the message is clear. They are aware of what to do when it's time. And so I'm looking forward to a very good response, a team that is disciplined. Apart from the fact that we go on the field and play, behavior outside the field of play is also key for us. And these are things I've done, and of course I've learned myself about the game in terms of how to approach it, how to give the boys a chance, make them comfortable when they come around to play and all that. And so I'm positively engaged in all these areas, and I believe that what is ahead of us, it is difficult, but it can be done in a very positive way. We are grateful to the number one man or the best man in the country, in the name of our president, for giving us the opportunity. Yes, the football is back, bring back the love. I think we all need to embrace it, work hard towards it, love it. Even if there's been negativity, let's leave it out. Try as much as we can to bring the positivity around the team and make sure we support them with a very positive spirit. I believe that we'll be back again, or we are back again, to do what is due us.
Also, that's head coach of the Black Stars, CK Akonnor, announcing his 23-man squad for next month's international friendly, and also giving reasons for handing call-ups to the players. That will be it for today. Just before we go, a look back at our top stories. GFA President Kurt Edwards.
I don't see it. 98.9. I don't see it. 98.9. I don't see it. I don't see it. 98.9.
serious, girl. Take me serious, girl. Hope to see you again. Yeah. If I know they bless you, baby, there's something they do to me. And then I'm in the world, and then I was win to me. I face me frown fa. Say me casa da wanda. I face me kana waka. I saw I didn't come share them out. I face me frown. Say me casa da wanda. Hey, I face me kana waka. I saw I didn't come share them out. But to my kuma, eh, kuma. Go shot to my kuma, eh, my kuma. What to my kuma, yeah, my kuma. Oh, that's my kuma, my kuma.
Okay, my son, show us who I'm inside. Also, they wanna be your thinker. And you may be able to know why I'm in camp. Obiama say me don't so me fry one fat. My coming on was so much reno. Yes, but still about worry me and she said no. Obiama de me done on the breno. She see I did me to no. The way me mommy, Ubonio. Sama wakaya na na be mono about the my comedy grow my break.
I face me frown. So me casa da wanda. Hey, I fade me kana waka. I saw I didn't come share them out. But to my kuma, eh, kuma. Go shot to my kuma, eh, my kuma. What to my kuma, yeah, my kuma. Oh, that's my kuma, eh, my kuma.
She was a breaker, say my bam crime. Wow, say now with this stunt. Wow, the dear bombe 6 times. Wow, but if she minute this time. So tell me, baby, if you really wanna die for me. Yeah, this is so bad, no, I'm sure I won't be. Looking you through the glass, baby, I wanna hurt you. Baby girl, my brain for you. I show you love and soon pay. So say I'm ranting into me near. My soul saw me disturbing me neighbor. Wish to send you flowers in there. I'm a serious girl. Take me serious, girl. Until every day my mind on the stress. No, yeah, you might come and pay.
I face me frown fa. The me casa da wanda. Hey, I face me kana waka. I saw I didn't come share them out. I face me frown fa. So me casa da wanda. Hey, I face me kana waka. I saw I didn't come share them out.